Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Luna Abyss game crashing, not opening, not launching, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first thing what you need to do is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section. Now right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Select it, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. If it's listed, the game is listed over here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check whether the game is opening or not. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, you just have to go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable this. After disabling it, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. The website opens, go below, click on the link. This will download Visual C++ files. You have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. After that, restart your PC and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if it's working. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After doing this, now try to launch the game and check whether the game is launching or not. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall. Finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Luna Abyss game and finally click on the play button to check if the game is opening or not. So these solutions will help you to fix Luna Abyss game crashing or not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, stuck on loading screen, black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.